Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. My dear students of class 8, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and our today's topic is creative question answer. We will discuss creative question answer from chapter 12. So let's start the class today. And we all know that the name of this chapter is Natural Resources of Bangladesh, and before that we have discussed two creative question answers from this chapter, and today we will discuss one more creative question answer, and this is creative question number 3. And look, there is a table, and in the first row there is the industry, and there is industry A and industry B, and then there is a number of industry, and industry A is 12 and industry B is more than 3000, and then the establishment period, and industry A established since the 1940s and industry B is the decade of the 80s of the 20th century. So this is the table, and you will try to find out the name of the industry, and meanwhile we will read the question. Question number A, what is natural resource? Number B, explain the reasons for the loss of biodiversity of Bangladesh. Number C, which industry is meant by the stem A? Explain. And number D, the contribution of B industry indicated in the stem in developing socio-economic condition of Bangladesh is immeasurable. Analyze. And we all know that question A carries 1 mark, question B carries 2 marks, and question C carries 3 marks, and question D carries 4 marks. And now we will go to the answer of question number A, and you will get the answer of question A from your textbook. So what is natural resource? And we all know that the answer is all objects we get from nature are called natural resources. And now question number B, explain the reasons for the loss of biodiversity of Bangladesh. And now answer is the level of seawater is increasing due to global warming. So this is the main cause actually. Because of the global warming, the biodiversity is in danger, and as a result seawater enters the coastal areas. Due to salinity in seawater, trees and forests, fisheries and crops are destroyed. So thus the biodiversity of Bangladesh is ruined. Now question number C, which industry is meant by the stem A? Which industry? Yes, we all know that it is cement industry, because there are 12 cement industry in our country, and it started from 1940s. So the answer is A in the stem indicates to the cement industry. Huge amount of cement is required to build up concrete houses, buildings as well as cities. Cement is produced combining limestone and natural gas. The cement industry in this country was initiated with the establishment of Ch-12 cement factory in 1940. So Ch-12 cement factory is the first cement industry which is established in 1940, and in Bangladesh there are 12 big and medium cement factories now. Only half of the total demand of cement in the country is produced in these factories. We have to import the rest from overseas. So though we have 12 cement factories, but still we need to import cement from the other countries. Now we will go to question number D, and the question is the contribution of B industry indicated in the stem in developing socio-economic condition of Bangladesh is immeasurable. And now look at this chart, and the number of the industry is more than 3000, and it started from the 80s of the 20th century. So we can understand that this industry is our garment industry, which is very important for our economic development. And now we will go to the answer. B in the stem indicates to the garments industry, and recently the ready-made garments industry has advanced remarkably in Bangladesh. The progress of this industry started in the 80s of the last century. So within a very short time, this industry has proved to be the largest export-oriented industry in the country. There are more than 3,000 units of garments industry at present in the country, and more than 40 lakh laborers are working in them. Bangladesh earns a huge foreign currency by exporting garments to the US and European countries. And now we will go to the conclusion. So from the discussion above, we can say that the garment industry has immensely contributed to the economy of Bangladesh. So my dear students, for question number C and D, with the help of your textbook, you will try to give your own opinion, or you will try to analyze the answer or explain the answer. So you can follow this sample answer of question number 3, or you can also write the answer by yourself. And dear students, there is a homework. This is homework number 20. You will write question number 3D from chapter 12. That means from today's class you will write the question answer of D. That means the contribution of B industry indicated in the STEM in developing socio-economic condition of Bangladesh is immeasurable. That means you will write about the garments industry. So this is your homework. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. Now, it's very important because your SBA, CT and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So dear students, all of you study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.